practice a medical spa located in White Marsh, Maryland, and I'm a solopreneur. I started with Dori in 2013. I met her at the conference in Pennsylvania. I was trying to ignore her, and then they called me, and that's how I get into Dori. And then I started as a silver membership. It was silver and gold at that time. So I was operating in the basement of my house. Dori helped me move from the basement of my house to renting a room inside a chiropractor clinic. And Dori was like, you need to get out of your basement because no one will know that you are, you have a medical spa. So Dori helped me, give me the structure and systems. I know about systems, I know about structures. I don't even know how to operate a business. I don't know about numbers because I'm in the medical field, so we don't deal with numbers. But Dori helped me to learn about all those things. And she helped me set up my medical spa inside a chiropractor clinic. She helped me create my website, my menus, sorry.
That's okay. Keep going.
What's that? The business cards, the spa dollars, and everything that a business needs. So she really helped me grow. I was like making zero up to like $1,000, more than thousands of dollars at that time, and I won the contest for it was like making more, or like who's making more for that year, and I was awarded for that to go to the Leap Ahead seminar. So I attended her Leap Ahead seminar. I was really learning a lot until such time that I decided to move out of the chiropractor clinic, move into a location inside a mall. And then that's kind of like and also I want to add also that Dori was doing my newsletters. Dori was doing my marketing stuff. I moved into the mall and I got really busy, and then I kind of like strayed away from Dori. I tried to create my own wheel at that time, and it was okay because I was still implementing what I learned from Dori at that time. And now I'm back with Dori because I have no more systems, I have no more structures. I kind of like forgot how it was to operate a business. So I'm just kind of like doing it on my own. I'm not making any more that much money. My business is going down. So I'm here to recreate my business, to have Dori help me put more structures and systems into my business, how to market, and especially to the affluent population. So I'm very excited. I'm back, and Dori, here I am. I'm gonna be strong. I'm not giving up. I'm persistent.